Now we're going to talk about how to use the eagle kung fu movement transfer for fight or self-defense. For example, the first two moves is clearly for defense, to blocking some punch or kick, right? I'm going to shoot some kick right here. Shoot, shot, what? Okay, great. Once we go blocking, and blocking in our eagle form is clearly for blocking. Okay, wait, shot. Right? So that is our eagle movement. So once you go low and come back, you go blocking and go grappling. So your right hand and left hand. As when you're grappling, your left hand to go behind the neck, and you push the head and you rotate. You see your left hand to blocking this arm. Down you go exactly like how the move we do in eagle form, right? So once you're grappling, your left hand control this whole action. And all you need to do now, you say your right hand go this way, you pull from the neck, and you just pull down right there. And you use your eagle claw just right there. And you finish the game. Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Hope you enjoy the nature. Now, let's do a tutorial step by step for Eagle Kung Fu, lesson 4. Let's go. 3-star eagle claw, become eagle claw, and walk your right, and you go blocking back, turn, and knee lift, and landing, your right hand go down, sweep, and come back this way, and both hands to grappling, and your left hand go straight forward, and make circle right on top, left under, and left hand go up, and right hand attack this way, and both hand pull back, circle twist from the top, your right hand, and go boom, attack down, and bend your right knee. Thank you for watching, my friend. I wish you have a great day. I see you in next video, and bye bye.